Hey everyone, welcome to Travel and Wonders channel, Niagara Falls. A name synonymous with natural grandeur, a place where millions flock each year to witness the raw power and beauty of nature. This is not just a waterfall, it is an experience, straddling the border of Canada and the United States. Niagara Falls is actually 3 waterfalls in one: the American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, and Horseshoe Falls. Each one unique, each one breathtaking. For centuries, people have traveled from far and wide, drawn by the allure of this natural wonder. Artists, poets, and dreamers, all captivated by its magic. But Niagara Falls is more than just a pretty sight. It is a testament to the power of nature, a reminder of the beauty that surrounds us. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let's continue the journey. Imagine standing at the brink of the falls, the roar of the water deafening, the mist rising up to meet you. Feel the spray on your face, it is exhilarating. The water, a vibrant turquoise, tumbles over the edge, crashing into the basin below, creating a symphony of sound. It is mesmerizing. Look closely at the rock formations carved by the relentless flow of water over thousands of years. They tell a story of time and endurance. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. The air is fresh, cleansed by the mist. You can almost taste the water, it is invigorating. Both the Canadian and American side offer unique perspectives and experiences of the falls. On the Canadian side, you can walk along the Niagara Parkway, a scenic road that winds alongside the falls. Stop at the various lookout points, each one offering a different view. Don't miss the journey behind the falls. Descend deep below the falls. Feel the thunderous power of the water as it crashes down beside you. Across the border, the American side offers a closer look at the American Falls and Bridal Veil Falls. Take a ride on the Maid of the Mist. Get up close and personal with the falls. Explore Goat Island, a small island that sits between the American and Horseshoe Falls. Walk along the Cave of the Winds. Feel the wind and spray of Bridal Veil Falls. Tales of Niagara whispers through time. Niagara Falls has a rich history, shrouded in legend and folklore. Native American tribes have lived here for thousands of years. They believed the falls to be sacred. One legend tells of Lelawala, a beautiful maiden who sacrificed herself to the falls to save her people from a terrible serpent. Her story is a reminder of the power of love and sacrifice. Over the centuries, daredevils have been drawn to the falls, attempting to conquer its power. Some have succeeded, others have perished. Their stories are a reminder of the fragility of life. Today, Niagara Falls is a symbol of peace and friendship between Canada and the United States. A reminder that we are all connected by the wonders of the natural world. A symphony of senses. Niagara Falls is a feast for the senses. The sights are breathtaking. The sounds are awe-inspiring and the smells are invigorating. Close your eyes and listen. Hear the roar of the water. Feel the mist on your face. Smell the fresh air. It is an experience that will stay with you forever. At night, the falls are illuminated with a rainbow of colors, creating a magical spectacle. Walk along the parkway, enjoy the view. It is truly unforgettable. Take a moment to reflect on the power and beauty of nature. Let the experience wash over you. You will leave feeling refreshed and inspired, a place of romance and adventure. Niagara Falls is a place for everyone. Couples come here to celebrate their love. Families come here to create memories. and adventurers come here to test their limits. Take a romantic stroll along the parkway. Enjoy a horse-drawn carriage ride. Share a kiss under the falls. Niagara Falls is a place where love blossoms. For the adventurous, there are plenty of activities. Try zip-lining across the Niagara Gorge, go whitewater rafting on the Niagara River, or take a helicopter ride for a bird's eye view of the falls. No matter how you choose to experience Niagara Falls, it is sure to be an unforgettable adventure. A place where memories are made and dreams come true. Niagara Falls, forever in your heart. As you leave Niagara Falls, you will carry a piece of it with you. The memory of the roaring water, the feel of the mist on your skin, the sense of awe and wonder. Niagara Falls is a reminder of the power and beauty of the natural world. A place where you can connect with something bigger than yourself. So come, experience the magic of Niagara Falls. Let it take your breath away and leave you forever changed.